What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another special video. Here I bring you the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I don't like, the economic calendar, and earnings for this week. Except today's a Monday and it's Memorial Day. Let's see who's really grinding. A lot of you guys had a lot of fun. It's okay to have fun in life. Don't listen to people that say don't go out. It's cool. You know, holidays come here and there. As long as you're not doing this every weekend, you're good. Enjoy your life, man. I stayed in this week and I actually went to the beach. And then I'm heading out to Vegas tomorrow. But before we go ahead and get started with this video, hit this like button, because if you guys give me 300 likes, I'll give you guys a vlog first week of June, which is literally next Sunday. So I know you guys love the vlogs. You guys kind of want to get through my personality and, you know, go from there. So subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. What are you watching for this week? Let's see who's actually grinding this weekend. And yeah, 300 likes, I'll give you guys that vlog next week in LA, and then I'll give you guys another vlog if you guys do well on this vlog. I'm going to Vegas doing a podcast with Sean Kelly. But yeah, subscribe. Please don't fall for any of the scams. Nour trades, trade like Nour, stock hours, only 3 Instagram accounts that I own. Everything else, Fugazi. In the comment section, if I tell you to WhatsApp me, text me, don't do any of that shit. I'm verified on YouTube. If you don't see the check by it, it's not me. So please don't fall for that. I would never. Whoever has money, don't forget about me. Whoever has money won't ask you to send them money in Bitcoin and all that garbage. So, you know, this is the schedule this week. You know, we're going May into June. June starts this Thursday. Monday, not really. You know, today's market's closed. Tuesday, you have consumer confidence, price index, Fed manufacturing service. Wednesday, we have the Chicago PMI. You have Susan speaking. Jolts. You know, we just got through with a partial debt ceiling deal, so we'll see how that goes. Market futures were up nicely last night. I haven't looked since. ADP employment is Thursday. Jobless claims, productivity and cost. PMI manufacturing final. ISM manufacturing index. Construction spending. That sounds interesting. And then Friday, you have employment situation, motor vehicle sales, and all that good stuff. If you want a clearer picture, just go on Trade Like Nour. That's where I update you guys throughout the week, because you guys get one watch list on YouTube, but throughout the week, I'm updating it and giving you guys updates if I like it still or not. These are the earnings for this week. Nothing that I really care about on Tuesday. I mean, Box, HP, whatever. Tuesday, you have Salesforce, CrowdStrike. Those can move. Chewy, I've seen that move. Other than that, nothing really there. Thursday, you have Dollar General, Macy's, Broadcom, Lulu. Lulu's moved crazy before. Asana, Dell. Other than that, nothing really going on there. Now, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so first thing I will be looking at is Tesla. Very nice little strong move here. As you guys can see, it's finally breaking out. We got the symmetrical wedge. We broke out, showing some very nice strength. This was Friday. I actually caught this Friday, which was freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm looking at this 199 level into 200. If I could get the momentum, like I said, I don't just go in blindly, and you shouldn't either. Now, the problem is on the 1 hour trend, you guys can see it's respected this trend pretty nicely. 1, 2 bounces. This hasn't really bounced off of it. It was $1 off, but I will be following this. Now, I'm not going to look to hold too long. I'm going to be judging the momentum. So basically on that 200 break, if I can catch this move, I won't be holding it for too long, because, you know, I need to make sure I don't get caught in a wick here. Tesla's pretty good with that type of stuff, especially in this type of area. So I'll see if I can judge the move and see that this can break through this 282 level or wherever this is at. Hopefully the trend is a little bit higher by tomorrow or Wednesday. Then I'll take the trade, but that's something to pay attention to on the 1 hour. Now, NVIDIA is something else that I'm watching here. This has the 399. As you can see, great earnings. This held up very nicely. This is going to be something that happens this week, I think. But yeah, 399.50 into 400. You guys can see, forget this trend. This is too steep anyways. This can really rip. This is all-time high, so there is no resistance. This is whatever it wants to do, it can do. But on the 1 year, you can see since they did have earnings, you do have a gap under 366. Now, just in case things get ugly, that's what I'm going to be watching, right? 370, under 370. But you have to remember, just because I give you these upsides that I'm looking at doesn't mean I'm bullish. It just means this is what I'm looking at for the stock. So if it comes through, it comes through. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So yeah, that's NVIDIA for the up 400 upside, and then 366 to the gap to the downside. I know you guys love those plays. Then you have Amazon, pretty strong too, finally breaking out. I do have resistance here at this 121.30 level. If that breaks, this has room up to 123. Let me show you how it looks. 121.50 into 123, and then after 123, I have 125. But yeah, we're finally breaking out here. You can see that we have this high that we couldn't break before. It wicked there. That was earnings, and then came all the way back down. But yeah, 123 is going to be pretty important. If we get past that, things could be nice. But this is why I have this 121.50 level. As you can see, we've struggled here. We've had wicks, candles not closing above, and all that good stuff. So watching Amazon there, and that's why I'm watching Amazon. I have my interns watching BA. Not really interested. They're watching, I believe, because this 4-hour trend here. They want to take this 208.50 break to the upside. As far as, am I too much interested? Not really. Now, if this gets closer throughout the week and I can update you guys, I can give you a better look into it on how it looks. But I can understand why they're looking at it. You kind of have a little flat top at BA, and then it's above that the downtrend. So yeah, they're looking at that. So you guys can put that as a side watch. Now I'm watching Google. This thing can move. I'm watching the 125.32 level. As you can see, this flat top here, and then that should take us up to that 126.43. Now Google does move a little funny, so I kind of love to stay away from it because I have better stocks to trade and a lot more smoother stocks to trade. But now this 4-hour trend leads up to 130, so this does have room to break. So it's not about how much room it has. It's just the type of movement I get in the stock. I'm not too much of a big fan on it, but this is definitely something I'll be watching this week on Google, that 125.30 level into 126, and then 126.43, and then after that, this can actually get the running here as long as the market's strong. Now, Meta, you'll see this. Hold up. You can see that this is stuck on a 15-minute trend. On the bottom, on the top, you guys can see it's respecting it. Now, are we going to break out? I hope so. So what I'm looking at on this is the 265 break. 264 is a little too close for me for a rejection, but I doubt it'll even open up under 265. So we'll see. Looking at 265, but definitely something I'm watching here. This is very nice. Look, if I put this on a 3-year, you can see that we're actually breaking out. And not only that, don't forget, change it to the day, you'll see the gap. Magic. Now we're finally getting this gap fill. Are we gonna do this in a day? I called this probably like 2 weeks ago. Are we gonna get this in a day? Are we gonna get this in a week? No, I don't know. That doesn't matter. Now what I can tell you is, will we get a gap fill? Yes. Will it be smooth? I don't know. Now gaps do fill, and these mega stocks and these big momentum stocks do fill up pretty quickly. Now I will be watching this. This is a dead area for our Meta. This can very much smoothly ride up quickly. So I will be watching Meta for this particular reason, this gap fill on the 3-year, I believe. Yeah, 3-year, 1 day. So make sure you guys put that if you haven't seen that. A lot of people will move over that pretty quickly. Netflix, a lot of people are watching this. What the hell did I type? That ain't Netflix. All right, so Netflix, 383. This has been moving pretty well. You can remember the earnings did very well last time. Was it the last time or the time before? It was the time before. Okay. So, yeah, we have a trend on the 4, which kind of sucks. Am I going to play it? Probably not, but it's respecting it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the 385 level just because this will be above the trend, and that should be the breakout. Obviously, I hope it doesn't do too much before market open tomorrow, but Netflix actually doesn't do too much pre-market and aftermarket. So watching Netflix 385, I have room up to 390, and after that, this can actually get going, and Netflix can really move a lot in 1 day. So watching Netflix for that particular reason, and then I have the interns watching Microsoft. Microsoft, they're watching the 334 into 335. The stock has been very, very strong, momentum-based. They had earnings recently, and then they gapped up from 270 up to 295. So they're keeping the momentum alive here, and then you have the debt ceiling partially partial deal, you know, kind of done here. So look at this. You put this on a 3-year. The high is 349. Not far away. These stocks are almost at all-time highs. Remember when there was a recession, rates, this, that. What did I tell you guys? You know what I mean? So, yeah, this is my watch list. This is what I'm looking at for this week. If you guys enjoyed that video, like I said, hit that like button. 300 likes. I'll give you guys a vlog next week. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.